At some point, we all have that question that what are the career options for electronics engineers? If you are pursuing or already completed degrees like BSc, MSc, Diploma, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, or PhD, especially in streams like electronics, telecommunication, electricals, computer, or instrumentation, then yes, VLSI job is for you. You can get into many sectors. On number 10, it comes technical or voice support. Easy to get in and start earning. Easy training, but low salary, low growth, and non engineering job. On number 9, motor turbine and industrial electrical. Motor turbine and industrial electrical. Pros: core electrical and electronics job. Can start after college directly, but low salary, low growth, off location. On number 8, transmission lines. Transmission lines. It's a core electrical and electronics job. Can start after college directly, but low salary, low growth, off location, and life risks. On number 7, Aeronautical. Aeronautical. It is core electrical and electronics job. Job with a pride, but average salary, slow growth, and off location. On number 6, it's automobile. Automobiles. They are core electrical and electronics job. Can start from college directly, but average salary, slow growth, off location. Number 5, it's solar energy. Solar energy. They are core electrical and electronics job. Can start from college directly. They have good salary, but only assembly, no design, and off location. Number 4, it's software or IT field. Software or IT field can start from college directly. They have good salary and good growth, but non-core domain and not satisfying after few years. On number 3, embedded system and application software. Embedded system and application software can start from college directly. They have good salary, but average growth and training may be required. On number 2, it's PCB board design and testing. PCB board design and testing. It's a core domain. They have good salary, good growth for few years, but training is required. Come to number 1, that is VLSI Design. VLSI Design. It is a core domain, highly satisfying, best in class salary, best in class growth, and training is must required. There are these major domains: circuit design, layout design, physical design are pure design specific jobs, and other requires little bit of programming. Look at the salary ranges for yourself. These are real screenshot of a major recruitment portal. 16 years and salary more than 60 lakhs. 3.5 years and salary of nearly 20 lakhs. 4 years and salary of nearly 30 lakhs. 6 years and salary of nearly 50 lakhs. Quite exceptional. Make a great career in VLSI for yourself. Thanks for your time. You can like and subscribe us for more learning videos. Waferank, your first step to VLSI.